fill the canvas with the colors you want to use. I'm going to make the canvas smaller so that it is much faster to fill. And then on the same layer, choose the other colors you want to use. I'm just doing 2 colors, but you can do as many as you like. Then go to Gaussian blur and drag from the left to the right as much as you like. I think around here looks good. And then let's do one more fun trick with this. So go back to this adjustments button and hit liquify. And now I've got twirl right selected, and hit anywhere on your canvas and just hold. And look at this beautiful spiral effect. I love doing this. This is very relaxing and calming, so I highly recommend you try it out. Looks so cool. Okay, let's do one more now. And this time we're going to try out different colors. So I think I'm going to do like 4 colors, and we'll just do them like quite random, like this. And then let's try the yellow up here. There we go. And now we'll go to the adjustments. We'll hit Gaussian blur, slide this along as much as you want. I think that looks really pretty there. Hit the adjustments again, and now let's go to liquify. And we'll try this twirl again. Wow, that's looking really, really cool. And there you have it.